Welcome to Circle's video series on understanding financial resources. In episode 6, we'll talk about tax implications when receiving a scholarship for undergraduate international students. Taxes are complex. No two students' taxes will look the same, so it is important to process your taxes documents individually. This video will give you a general overview of taxes and your responsibility to file taxes as an international student. If you receive a scholarship, know that some of your scholarship money may be taxed. For undergraduate international students, taxes will only be counted when scholarship exceeds your tuition cost. For example, if you receive a $14,000 scholarship and tuition you have to pay is $12,000, only $2,000 of the scholarship will be taxed. This is because tuition is considered an education expense and it is tax-free. Even if you pay the other $2,000 to education expenses such as books, the non-tuition amount will still be taxed. Unlike when you work in the US, your employer will withhold money from your paycheck every month. This doesn't happen when you receive scholarship. This is why you need to plan to pay taxes after receiving a scholarship. When you receive scholarships, the UW payroll office will send you a 1042S in February for scholarship that you received in the previous calendar year. The 1042S form will include the entire amount you owe in taxes, if any. It is very important that you do not do your taxes before receiving the 1042S form if you have received a scholarship. Always remember that International Student Services gives UW international students free access to the Glacier Tax Prep program. Glaciers help international students with F1 and J1 visas to file their taxes. Other services such as TurboTax or H&R Block will not be able to help with non-residential tax filing. When using Glacier Tax Prep to file, you'll be able to input the information from the 1042S form in the program. Once you are done filing, depending on your tax liability, you will receive a refund or you might need to pay money to the IRS. As you plan to file your taxes, keep in mind that your tax liability for scholarship might be zero if you are a citizen of a country that has a tax treaty with the United States. To know which countries enter the treaty with the United States, please visit the IRS website, link listed in the description of the video. If you are a citizen of one of those countries, you need to file a W-8BEN form with Student Fiscal Services to get the tax treaty benefits. Understanding taxes and how they work can be complicated. This is why we have a few resources listed in the description of this video to help you understand tax implications. Remember that not every situation is going to be the same for all students. So what worked for your friend might not end up working for you. This video is narrated by Morris Chang on behalf of the Student Advisory Board at Circle. Remember to subscribe and share our videos. See you next time.